You are on this side of the bank. UPSC is on the dark side of the bank, and there is a deep ocean between you and UPSC, your goal. Coming to the strategy for prelims, that how anyone can score more than safe. To be safe, one has to score almost 125 to 130 out of 200. We all are aware of the pattern of the prelims exam, that now it's only one paper GS out of 200. Despite of negative marking, one has to score 120, 125, 130 plus to be on the safe side. So द स्ट्रैटेजी हैज़ टू बी, जैसा कि कहते हैं कि एग्ज़ाम की नब्ज़ पकड़नी होती है. अब एग्ज़ाम की नब्ज़ हम कैसे पकड़ेंगे? तो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई वॉज आस्क्ड टू डू by my mentor. I was lucky to have a mentor at home. So what was I was asked to do was to take a question bank. There are many question banks which contains the previous year questions, definitely not the other question banks. Subject wise, the questions are divided in that question bank. So now when any person studies one chapter, suppose I am studying Harappa civilization today, and I don't know that I have studied a particular book, NCERT. Definitely we study NCERT for history. So at the end of the chapter, is my preparation is up to the mark? This is the most common doubt that comes to our mind while studying, कि इतने से हो पाएगा या कुछ और पढ़ना है. In that case, if we go through the previous year questions which are sorted subject wise in many question banks, so when I see अच्छा in past 20 years हरप्पा civilization से ये 2 या 3 questions आए हैं, and after reading this chapter from this particular book, I'm able to answer those questions. Means my preparation level is up to mark. There is no point of mugging up more things and going through more things. Second thing is, it is always important in UPSC preparation to know what not to study. मतलब क्या पढ़ना है इससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. Mostly in the lanes of Rajendra Nagar or Mukherjee Nagar or any other places, we see that there are number of notes, number of books just flying around, people talking about the ACR report, this and that, so many resources, so many materials. It's very easy to get lost in that sea. So what we have to do is to make it very clear कि इतने ही पढ़ना है. अब वो कैसे पढ़ना है, वो टोल्ड यू द स्ट्रैटेजी कि अगर आपसे पिछले साल के क्वेश्चंस बन जा रहे हैं, मतलब आपका जो मटेरियल है, आपका जो स्टडी लेवल है, वो अप टू मार्क. अब एक अभी ड्यूरिंग माई ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग इन फील्ड, आई वेंट टू द कलेक्टर सर देयर टू अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड देयर ही वॉज गाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट्स for the UPSC exam, and he said he gave a very good analogy. He said that you are on this side of the bank, UPSC is on the dark side of the bank, and there is a deep ocean between you and UPSC, your goal. So you have to cross this ocean. So now you have two options. Either you can go for scuba diving, explore so many things, have fun, who knows that if you will ever come out or not. Or you can simply swim and reach to your goal. So in UPSC examination, it's all about reaching the goal. PhD नहीं करना है, research नहीं करना है, scuba diving नहीं करनी है, हमें simply अपनी गोल तक पहुंच जाना है. तो स्विमिंग इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. आप ऊपर पढ़कर सब चीज़ के बारे में थोड़ी थोड़ी जानकारी होकर वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. देन आई एम asked about the financial issues. Many of us belong to not so affluent economic background. तो क्या यूपीएससी निकाला जा सकता है? यूपीएससी एक ऐसा एग्ज़ाम है जहाँ पे कोई बहुत हाई फीस नहीं है, ना ही बुक्स बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हैं. आप डेफिनेटली निकाल सकते हैं. हार्डशिप थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है बट निकाल सकते हैं. आज के डेट में लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द मटेरियल्स आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. NCERT books are available on NCERT online. Then we have newspaper apps. You don't need to pay for all the newspaper. You get the PDF of the newspaper or e-paper on your phone. स्मार्टफोन है, जियो कनेक्शन है और एनी इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है, तो आप उसमें आराम से सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं.